Now, students, we are going to learn kinds of adjectives. Okay, and first kinds of adjective is adjectives of quality. Okay, so we will learn something about adjective of quality. Adjective of quality express the kind or quality. Adjectives of quality express the kind or quality. Through adjective of quality, we know what kind of person or thing is. Okay, so example, he is kind person. Actually, person this is noun and kind is adjective. So about this person, we are getting information with the help of this word kind. So we are getting information that this person is very kind. Okay, so it is telling the quality of person. What the quality of person is? He is kind. So quality adjectives or quality expresses a quality and or kind of a person or a thing. Okay, let's take second example. Ramesh is a brave boy. So now again we are getting a quality of this boy. What the quality of Ramesh? Ramesh is a brave boy. He is valiant boy. So through this word we are getting some information about boy Ramesh. He is a brave boy. So this word is telling us quality of boy. Okay, getting me? Adjectives of quality. Okay, we should move further. Okay, now. Now, adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quality answer the question how much. Okay, how much is meant. Okay, adjectives of quantity tells us how much of a thing is meant. How much of thing is a meat. For example, I need some money. Actually, some is coming before money and adding something to the meaning of a noun. Okay, so some will be of adjective of quantity. So, what quantity? I need money, I need some money. So, it is telling quantity. Okay, getting me? Okay, next. Next and third is adjectives of number. Okay, so what is adjectives of number? Adjective of number tell us how many people or things are meant. how many people or things are meet. Okay, so we are talking about people. So how many people are there, how many things we need. So through adjectives of number we come to know, okay, about exact number. So for example, this box contains and adjectives of number and answer the question how many. Okay, this tin contains 10 apples. Okay, it means 10 is giving the number to the apples. Okay, there are 10 apples. So 10 will be your adjective of number. Okay, adjectives of number further can be divided into three parts. Okay, definite number, indefinite number, and distributed. Okay, fast. Definite numeral, okay, indefinite numeral, and distributive numeral. Definite numerals are of two kinds. This can be further divided into two. Okay, cardinals and ordinals. Okay, so cardinals means 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, that are called cardinal. And ordinals means first, second, third. Okay, getting me? If we are giving any number, that will be cardinals, and first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, that will be ordinals. Okay. Now next is indefinite numerals. What is indefinite numerals? In indefinite numerals, we are not getting exact number. We are only getting some idea. Okay, not getting exact number. Means little, few, a few. So if I am telling that there is little water in a jug, it means I am not giving you exact figure. Okay. So little, a few, and few. These are called indefinite because we don't know anything what is there. Okay, with little, few, or few. So that is why they are called indefinite numerals. And next is distributive numerals. Distributed numerals, example of distributed numerals are each, every. Okay, right. So distributed numerals refer to distributed numerals refers to each one of a number. Example, each and every. Okay, each and every are distributive numerals. Okay. Now, next is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. Okay. Example of demonstrative adjective is this, that, those, these. This, that, those, these are examples of demonstrative adjectives. Okay. So, for example, now in this house is old. In this sentence, this house is old. In this sentence, this is demonstrative adjective because before noun, that is house, this is used, and we are pointing out towards this house with the help of this. Okay. So that will be a demonstrative adjective. Now next kinds of adjectives is interrogative adjective. Okay. So interrogative adjective, when interrogative words are used when interrogative with nouns to ask a question is called interrogative adjectives. Okay. For example, whose pen is this? So whose is used with noun pen. Whose pen is this? Okay. So this will be interrogative adjectives. And next is emphasizing adjective. Emphasizing adjectives that we use to emphasize what we want to say. Emphasizing adjectives are used to emphasize what we want to say are called emphasizing adjectives. Okay. For example, ready, phone, it was his own idea. So own is putting emphasis on idea. So this word we use for the sake of emphasis. Okay. So this sentence is an example of emphasizing adjectives. Okay. Getting me? Clear? Okay, student, are you getting me? We should move further. Okay. After emphasizing adjectives, there are participles. So there are two kinds of participles. Two kinds of participles. First, present participle, and present participle and past participle. So how we can form a present participle? First form of verb plus ing forms a present participle, and past participle third form of verb. Third form of a verb is called past participle. Okay. For example, gone, burned. Okay. And example of present participle is now. Interesting is an example of present participle. We heard the interesting news. Okay. So here interesting is working as an adjective, and it is giving us some information about news. How that news was. That news was very interesting. It will be present participle. And gone, burned, third form of verb. When used before noun, that will be a past participle. Okay. So thank you very much, children, watching my video. I hope you could understand it. It was very simple, and revise all the chapters what I taught you through videos. Thank you very much.